Hello little ones, and in the series of vowels, today we are going to study vowel A sound CVC words. Okay, by this time you might be knowing what are vowels and what are consonants and why vowels are important. Okay, today we are going to study O sound CVC words. CVC words stand for consonant, vowel, consonant words. So here today our vowel is O. So in every word I am going to teach, we have O as a vowel. Okay, let us see how are we going to read those words. The first word, my first letter here is B. And what is the sound of B? Phonic sound of B is B. And the phonic sound of O is O itself. And here this again is B. So the phonic sound of B is B. How do we read it? B, O, B. B, O, B, Bob. B, O, B, Bob. It becomes Bob. Then P, O, D, pod. P, O, D, pod. Here D, O, G, dog. D, O, G, dog. Moving ahead. H, O, P, hop. H, O, P, hop. H, O, T, hot. H, O, T, hot. B, O, X. What is the sound of X? X. B, O, X. Box. B, O, X. Box. B, O, B, Bob. P, 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 O, D, pod. P, O, D, pod. D, D, O, G, dog. D, O, G, dog. H, O, P, hop. H, O, T, hot. H, O, T, hot. B, O, X, box. B, O, X, box. Okay, now I am writing a word. You all tell me how do we read it. Okay, so my word is, okay, now I have written this word. How do we read it? What is the sound of D? D, O, T. What does it become? D, O, T, dot. D, O, T, dot. Okay. Next word. Let's read some more words. Okay. So this is my next word. What is the phonic sound of F? You all know. F, O, X. Fox. What does it become? F, O, X. Fox. This is how we read CVC words. And here we have covered O sound words. There is a special technique of calling all the alphabets, their sound, their phonic sound, and just after seeing what is the alphabet written and what is the phonic sound of that alphabet, we can easily read this. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video with another vowel. Thank you so much.